Molweni, igama lami nguLisa Kanyamiti, but I call myself the local guru. Do you guys remember when we did this?
Welcome to this week's episode. Blackowned, based in Pretoria, local black-owned clothing brand is. If you look, using practices that are eco. This brand is for the youth of South Africa, the hustlers, the go-getters, the content creators, the creatives.
Right. So we did all of that last year, and honestly, the reason I started doing the whole content around black-owned businesses, obviously locally, is because I have such passion for that, for political reasons, obviously. And I've always believed that since Sibaninti in SA, so we're supposed to be owning most things because we are the consumers, right? And I feel like there's just so many businesses and local brands that we're sleeping on, whether it's in Basha, whether it's food, whether it's wine, whether it's beverages, everything. They just, the market out there, a corner, but like for some reason, asizazi, right? So I'm thinking of going back to doing the same thing I was doing last year. And the reason I stopped is because, well, I had a conversation with two people last year around December and January. And basically, we've been shouting about why did you stop doing that? Because it was so original, it was so authentic, it was so new, right? And my excuse was that I felt like if I'm gonna promote your brand as a brand owner, as a black brand owner, I have to actually purchase your thing. As you're seeing, I'm wearing Tab Bravo's one of Tab Bravo where he sold Continue Resting in Peace, one of his pieces. And for me, the reason I wanted to do things like that was to show people that as much as I'm promoting your thing, I'm also wearing it. So, like, as a proof that I'm actually practicing what I preach. But that was not very sustainable. And they said, you do not have to actually have the clothes that you're talking about or have the brand that you're talking about because finances are bad, right? So, and honestly, they did open my eyes to that. So now I'm making a comeback, and the main focus now is to actually promote the brands, whether you don't have a piece of the brand, whether you're not wearing the brand, the cap, the watch, everything, because we did so many things last year. We did brands. As in Basha, I did something for this local black-owned brand, a watch one. It's called Dora's Timepieces, something like that. There's so many brands out there, so many brands that I could talk about, and they've really opened my eyes. Shout out to the people who actually opened my eyes about this. So from today, we'll be talking about local brands that I think you should look out for, or that I think that I think you would like. And honestly, man, it doesn't matter if I'm wearing the brand, because Imalayiko, to be honest, but like just putting the brand out there, whether it's the biggest brand in the country, whether it's the smallest brand in the country, but what matters is that it's a local black-owned brand because it's about time we took our own things and we put them out there. It's about time we created our own produce, or we started producing, because we are the people consuming the most. And obviously this is very political, but we're gonna make it fun, right? So please be on the lookout. I may be posting maybe once a week. I'll just be doing my research about the brands around Cape Town. Obviously Cape Town is very small, not very small, but like South Africa is very big, so I won't be limited to Cape Town only, but I have passion for pushing the local culture, the Cape Town culture. So we're gonna be starting here at home, to the Eastern Cape, to wherever else, right? Because we all one people in one state, in one country. So yeah, hopefully you guys will be part of this journey, and I cannot wait to share the amazing brands that are out there that I feel like you guys are not buying from, not because I'm phony, but because you don't know that they actually exist. So yeah, man, thank you for tuning in. This is Yepo's 101. I am your local guru. I gave myself that name. Thank you, guys.